What's going on, folks? So it's early morning, everyone is still sleeping, and I and my brother is packing to going to Poland to Raceism event, dance event, huge, probably one of the biggest of Europe's. So let's pack the bags, jump in the car, and start heading to Wroclaw. So we are approaching Warsaw, some cool cars on the road. The sun is out, we are out of the hotel and we are on the way to the event. Walking around the arena, entrance is far away actually. We parked car nearby, but unfortunately entrance is on another side. It's a long walk. Saw some drift action. The event is absolutely huge. So more coming up. Bye-bye racism. We are going back to Latvia. The event was absolutely amazing, absolutely new experience. Probably next year we will try to participate with our cars. So now a long way home, and then probably need to hurry up with my bill.